Good morning, everyone. My name is Jazlan. I study in LKGE. Today is 2nd October and we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on the best anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader of India. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of the nation of India. People called and Baba. He played an important role in getting India freedom. British rule was a very powerful leader and the sacred orange. He was a leader of his birth last on January 1948. Thank you.